Compact machine for filling liquids in a soft plastic bag. It is used for filling hot herbal decoctions. The machine forms sachets from a roll of plastic. Filters for liquid and heating are provided. The doses of liquid are adjustable. The capacity is 480 vials per hour. Weight 65 kilograms. Made of quality stainless steel. We give detailed instructions for setting up the bottling and capping equipment. The machines are checked and tested at the plant before being sent to the customer. We can help with the purchase of roll materials for packaging. Completeness and performance is guaranteed. Experienced specialists of the company Minipress will help you choose the right model of equipment. Our catalog Minipress.ru, one of the most authoritative in the pharmaceutical industry. Daily consultant answers questions in WhatsApp at +7 985 364 3808. You can also send a request to email info@minipress.ru. We maintain a stock of parts and consumables. Prices inclusive of delivery to the buyer's city. Machine filling liquids in plastic packaging BB-151. Number of containers 1 for 20 liters of liquid. Capacity 8 packs per minute. Maximal size of packages 155 by 100 mm, dispensing volume 50 to 210 milliliters, power supply 220 volt, 50 Hz, heat output 1 piece 2.0 kilowatts, total power 2.8 kilowatts, dimensions 570 mm by 650 mm by 1220 mm, weight 65 kilograms, weight with packaging 100 kilograms.
We're proud to offer professional advice on choosing any pharmaceutical equipment. Our exhaustive catalog comprises equipment produced by Chinese, Indian, Korean, and Thai manufacturers. We are ready to seek for you used pharmaceutical equipment made by Russian and European manufacturers. We assist in choosing and delivery of pharmaceutical equipment to Russia. Our industry experience and knowledge are vast and valuable.
Hello, my name is RomanTsibulsky. I'm the founder and the owner of the pharmaceutical equipment catalog Minipress.ru. For the last 17 years, I've been making sure that our clients make the right choice, get everything delivered on time, and have no problems with customs clearance. Every year, I participate in pharmaceutical equipment expositions worldwide in order to pick new, better quality models to include in my catalog. In my catalog, you can find tablet press machines, blister packaging machines, coating machines, packaging and production equipment, a wide range of laboratory machines, as well as compact desktop units to start your pharmaceutical business. In any case, if you don't come across what you are looking for, just let me know, and I'll help you find the best options. I provide my clients not only with information about equipment, but also about different technologies. I'm really good at that, as I have a great deal of my own and my clients' experience here. In my catalog, you'll find different types of equipment from China, India, Taiwan, Korea, and Europe. My team will assist you in choosing the right model, purchasing it, getting it delivered, and customs clearing of any equipment to Russia. You can contact me every day, either by telephone, Skype, or email. I'm here to help you choose any pharmaceutical equipment, making use of all my experience and knowledge. I'll be happy to see you among my clients.